Yeah, good morning, everybody. Happy to be here as the new plant manager. Thought I'd come around and get to know each one of you up close and personal, so to speak. A one-on-one. Yeah, nice to see the foliage you have there. You really displace the air nicely. I see the uplifting qualities to you right away. I really like your style. Oh, purple up top. That is just gorgeous. I really got to take a closer look at the vibrancy there. And oh, you got some undercarriage. Ah, I get it. Symbiotic relationship and all that. Yeah, there's something different about you. Wait, I get the point. You got some prickly qualities to you, but that's all part of your strengths. What a team. Does it get any better? Oh, all right. So the three of you work together? A three-headed think tank, so to speak? That must work really well for you guys. Nice to meet you. Okay, so you got it going on mostly in one direction, straight on up there. There's only one way to go, and you got a little support down below with the frilly stuff. It takes getting close up and personal to see the vibrancy of your colors. The yellows and the oranges and... Oh, what's going on with this guy? I need a little help, huh? We'll get you some department support. Ooh, that was really a beautiful yellow. So pleased to meet all of you together. When you're a plant, you just manage yourself.